Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. These are the December 2024 fall teasers of Sbongile and the Gamenas. On first week on Monday, Nomfundo meets a handsome stranger who shows interest in her. Nobuhle receives a visit from Mkize and Peteni opens up old wounds that forces her to act. On Tuesday, Njengaye tries to rekindle romance with Nomfundo, but she might tired of being his mistress as the Mbambo household joyously prepares for Samke and Voma's Lobola negotiations. A hidden guest looks among them out for vengeance. On Wednesday, Nobuhle shocks Sbongile when she reveals something Samke did in the past. Peteni is shaken when she sees a fool in the most unlikely of places. On the second week, on Monday, Njengaya faces Nomfundo with the pressing concerns about Mxolisi, only for Peteni to confront Nomfundo about Njengaya. Sis Mavis uncovers a poorly mended vase and insists that Nelly and Tuli come clean to Peteni. On Tuesday, there is a rage in Sbongile's soul that not even Gwenzo can come until a valued female member returns. With strong instincts, Peteni doesn't give up on her search for the truth about why Nomfundo was at the hotel. On Wednesday, Njengaya sees red when he finds another man in his house. Meanwhile, Gwenzo shows up for Sbongile in her time of need. Mandulo is shaken to the core by Voma's request. On the third week, on Monday, Njengaya lays down the law from Xolisi regarding Namfundo, but the latter is determined that he is not going anywhere. Also, Vusi and Gwenzo connect over the women in their life. On Tuesday, Njengaya comes back to mark his territory at Namfundo's place and is unimpressed by what he finds. Vuma has a dying wish for Gwenzo. On Wednesday, Namfundo has an argument with Mxolisi that opens her eye and finally makes her say enough to Njengaya. Gwenzo refuses to leave Sbongile. On the fourth week on Monday, Njengaya frees Nomfundo from his clutches. However, she is disappointed when Mxolisi refuses to accept the conditions of her freedom. Vusi is excited to start over with Trina. On Tuesday, the Mbambo family convenes at Damsamo seeking Bali's forgiveness. Peteni is unsettled upon discovering the helpers visited Nomfundo. On Wednesday, Peteni goes all out for her traditional Christmas lunch, but Tina and Vusi make unceremonious appearance. Nomfundo feels lonely and reaches out to Temba, but it is shut down. On the fifth week, on Monday, determined for his cows to come home, Vuma is not happy. In a forgiving mood, Peteni fosters reconciliation. Meanwhile, Tulisile prepares for a funeral with a twist. On Tuesday, Kuzuayo comes clean to Samke about his deal with the devil. Gwenzo commits to waiting for Spongeli until she's ready to take their relationship to the next level. Thank you guys for watching.